What is up? How are you all doing? In this video, I'm going to show you this little fill. Okay, had the camera just set up rough and ready today, but I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, first thing you're going to do is you can get your D chord. You're going to go. That's our standard down, down, up, down, up rhythm, right? You'll find the arrows below in the video description. Now, for the fill, it's actually quite straightforward. First thing you do is get your D chord on, pinky underneath, and you strum down on that. Then you lift off your pinky, back to D, you strum up. So it goes. Then you lift off your middle finger. And when I say middle finger, I'm talking about the one at the real bottom here. All right? You strum that down once. Put the middle finger back on and strum D. Now, if you break that apart into two pairs, the first pair has the pinky on the D. Lift off pinky, strum up. The second pair, lift off the middle finger, strum down, back on for D and up. And sorry, that would be down, up, down, down. All together, it looks like this. And again go. Then you can go up to G, E minor, and D. Some example songs you could use this in: Sweet Child of Mine. Get the idea? And it's just a nice one as well. Hey, have you ever done a song that it's like you're stuck on one chord for ages before you start singing? If you were to just do that, it keeps people entertained.